Hello there, Internet. Welcome to a new video, and today we are going to be doing the daily install series, Linspire, or Lindows. We're doing 3.0. Hooray, hooray, yay, yippee, yah, hooray. I have this as old as possibly can, so, this may or may not be a terrible idea. Detecting the hardware. I set this all to IDE. We should be fine. We should be fine. And hey, would you look at that? Would you look at that? We got the end user's license agreement. We're gonna accept. Take over entire hard disk. Wiping out all existing files. Yes. We're gonna acorn. One. We're gonna call this Linspire. Yes. Please verify your choice. Yes, I am sure. And that is pretty much it. It is very easy. It is very install. It is very an easy install. Wait. Is that it? Wait, that's it. That's it. That is oh so beautiful. And our disk is ejected. Let's go and hit reboot. Let's go into Lindows. Preparing the Lindows operating system. Loading. Done. I want to compare this to Windows XP. Maybe get a copyright date so we can upgrade this. Alright, Lindows is... Okay. What the fuck? Root 1. Huh? Oh, shit. For LS? Oh, this is bad. Hold on. Start X. No screens found. Hold on. Let me go and Okay. There's an MJD video on this. Let's go take a look at his channel and let's see if he has any solutions. Well, apparently he did receive this error, and let's go back to our guest. Change our hardware. X. 5.x is our latest our earliest version we can switch to. This is bad. Hold on. Or this virtual machine. Maybe if we can insert the disk. Unless, hold on. That just said it's unsupported. Let's go edit. We're not gonna see this. Let's go to... Huh? Yes. Network. USB. Sound. Where's display? Okay, I need to this is the new virtual machine hardware. Oh, there it is. Okay. I am not seeing display. Here we have memory, processors, hard disk, CD, DVD, network, USB. Can we like? No, we can't. And I can't really check. General Ubuntu. Do we have to like downgrade? 2.4x kernel. We're gonna choose 2.4x. Our out of tech guest access VMware controls. Really have the ability to do that. Shit. Alright. Does that actually fix it? Or do we need to like pull up the Ubuntu upgrade from another YouTuber? Skim through every single frame. And this thing is like so we're probably not gonna even have the ability. Oh shit. Did it? No. No. Nope. We're doing. So we need to go to install VMware tools. Okay. Whoopsie daisies. This may or may not be not compatible. Oh no, this may or may not be compatible. Holy shit. Yes, alright. Now let's go ahead and swap it over. Because if it ain't, which I hope to dear God it isn't, this may or may not be bad. So what I am going to do is go to upgrading every single Ubuntu version, and I am going to skim through it using the little keys that come after M. Sudo mkdir. So what we need to do is we need to go to sudo mkdir. And this is older. The fuck do you mean sudo not found? What is Linspire based on? Oh shit. I know I am swearing, but like, based on Xantros. Oh no. Oh, this is bad. I have the weirdest idea ever, and this may or may not work. Hold on. So what we are going to have to do is we need to probably go into Windows XP, install VirtualBox, yes, there is the 2.0, and we are going to essentially try and install. This may not work because save the file. We may not have the ability to boot from that. And I have a newer version, so we can like try it out on a bigger machine. But last time I tried this, I was very young. Yes. Yes. This is very clean. I can understand this. I can understand this very much. Continue anyway. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we have... Where the hell, VirtualBox? VirtualBox! There you are. New. Yes. 2.4. Lindows. Give it, like, 512. New. Yes. 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 Yep. Yep. Alright, let's start. Uh-huh. Holy crap. So, one of my other ideas, I have copied the fucking ISO. So, here it is, right here, and we are going to all programs, Anotech, VirtualBox, settings, CD-ROM, mount the CD-ROM, ISO. Okay, weird. Oh, add, desktop, ISO. Yes. Yes. Do not show this message again. So wait, is this like... Yes. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we are nesting virtual machines right now, and what we need to do is we need to ensure that this gets graphical. This gets the graphical. And as far as I can tell, okay, if we control F, yes. Oh dear God. But also yes, because it's happening. We're installing this again. LinVM 2. Yes. So you get 2 installs today. I am a very generous person. I am a very generous person. We may or may not have to ditch this video, and if this comes up with a size error, I am ditching this video, and we are doing Kubuntu. But as far as I can tell, not bad, not legitimate bad, and we don't have a box. We do not have a box. So perhaps maybe this is a good thing. Maybe this is actually a God's blessing of some sorts. Because guess what? We hit 100. No. Hello, we hit 100. There's supposed to be a message. I'll give you time. And we got it. Let's go reboot this wonderful CD. Unmount the CD-ROM. Yes. Any key. We are going. Yes. So, what we are going to do now is we are going to hit. Well, actually, hold on. We can just do this. Yes. It's happening, everyone. It's happening. It's happening. I'm looking at the time. It's 39 seconds in, and well, not 39 seconds in. And here we are on the motherland. After going through 2 layers of virtualization, we've reached home. 2 layers. VirtualBox, VMware, then VirtualBox. Not tools, not system tools. I might actually have to, oh my god. I can technically lie and say I got this, but for all intents and purposes, I can't really. Like, I can. Here we are. So I need to ask. Is there like. Okay. Do not show the message again. Oh my god, this is annoying. I don't think we have a session to go to, and well, we're gonna go to settings. This is your computer is. We recommend you click on set time limit. Set your computer time. Finish. So I guess this is another feat under my belt. User manager? Look and feel. Colors. I wonder if we can get the internet working. I said I wonder if we can get the internet working. Oh, that was fast. KDE default. Let's go with about Redmond XP. Zolaris! Whoa. Okay, we're gonna go in www.google.com. And here we are. Here we are on google.com. Let's go type up Acorn. I don't have my name on here. Let's go type up Acorn. There we go. Images. The only image I have that I made is right here. It's right here. I made it into the history books. I didn't even need to connect to the internet. The hell? Okay, let's go and go to wait. What? Audio MP3. Desktop enhancements. Click and run. How about we play with Tron? Time to play Tron. Let's do this. It's Tron time. Oh, wait, that's me. The blue is me. Okay. Entering the battle grid. I died. Alright. Let's do this again. What do we like when oh 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 I won. Cool. Oh I died. Yeah, this ain't looking well. This ain't looking well. This ain't going too well. Ain't it? That's not really a fun thing. I mean I actually okay, hold on. Can we settings computer player 2 computer player wonder what expert appearance. Oh, we don't really have an image to set. We do have an inner browser, so we can just download an image. Probably like Common Writer related. Um, like Common Writer related. We can just go ahead and start on on. Okay, fine. Jeez, wow. Google.com. Okay, geez, all right. Wow, wow. You people are really chatty today. Wow, holy crap. Common writer. There we go. Yep. And oh, it's P. Start a new game. Do I? Wait, wait. Huh? Huh? What button do I have to press? Parent size, other background color player. Oh. Just oh, okay. That makes sense. Um, whoops. There we go. Yeah, look at this. I'm a wit. Okay. And then we're gonna box him. Like box. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're gonna go here. We're gonna save the image as common writer background. Saving. Keep this window. Oh, you have to download this. Okay. Okay, that's cool. All right. No. Oh, I think I was loud. I think the entire house. Oh, that's how small the image was, huh? All right, let's go. Settings, appearance, background image, desktop, documents, home. Where is it? Where is download? I guess download. Where does Geets download? Hold on. Where does the image download? That was Yahoo. So go download this. Netscape. No, we're gonna go to user. Go to directly to here. Directory. Images. There it is. There it is. There. Is that fitting or no? I don't know if that's fitting or not. Let's go change the background. Enable desktop menu. Disable desktop menu. Let's configure the desktop. I said let's configure the desktop. Appearance. Helvetica! Oh, desktops. Holy crap, we can have... Oh, no. Oh, what are you doing here? Why? I think I killed it. No, wait, hold on, wait. Background. Wallpaper. Location. Green? Oh my god, look, it's so awesome! Advanced. Blending. Wait, hold on, wait, here. I think that looks cool. I think that looks cool. And I'm gonna end it with our ceremonial run command. How do I go to terminal utilities? Console. This is it, boys. This is the part where we decide to euthanize our machine. And I am not afraid. Euthanization. Although, may or may not actually work because it's 2.4. Which may or may not be actually bad. So let's go ahead and go to newer desktop. August. November. Yeah. Sudo rm dash. Let's see if this works. No. I don't think this works. But anyways, if you are wondering, yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you later. And I'm posting the entire process. We got 3 cursors. 3 fucking cursors. Oh boy, that is going shut down complete. Yay. And we are going to shut down this. No special sound. Sad face. Good night.